Kevin here. I'm going to do a quick video on how to change the battery in Ram Key Fob. So the easiest way to open it up, I find, when you push the button here, take the key out. Then once you have the key out, you basically, there's a slot in there and it separates. So you're just going to grab the key, hold the fob, and lift up on the key. That's it. So you just lift up on the key and it pops out. It's kind of hinged on this side. Then you lift it right up. And that's it. So the battery's already out of this one. Put a new one in. You slide it into the little slot. Push it down. Grab this. Again, this is hinged, so you kind of got to put it on the back side and kind of clip it in and click it. So you tilt on a bit of an angle. Click it in. Then you grab it. You just squeeze it. And you're done. And that's how easy it is to change the battery on your Ram Key Fob.